In this video, we will see how to add the teachers in LearniCo. Firstly, click on the Profile option. You can see options like Management, Learning Assistant, Configuration, Upload Institute logo, etc. To add teachers, click on Configuration. After clicking, you will see 5 options that are Classrooms, Subjects, Teachers, Students, and Add Parameters. Click on Teachers option. Here you can see there are 4 teachers already added in this institute. Let's add more teachers. For that, you have to click on the Option tab. After clicking, you can see 2 options, Download Template and Upload Teachers. Click on Download Template option. The template will be downloaded. Open the sheet and you will see the 4 names of the teachers that are already added in the system. Now, let's add more teachers. You have to insert the employee ID of the teacher, their name, and contact number. But contact number is optional. Save the sheet. Again go to LearniCo and click on the Option tab. This time we have to click on the Upload Teacher option and upload the Excel sheet that we have saved. Click on Upload. Now you can see the names of the 3 teachers which we have added. You can even edit or delete the teachers if there is any change in the information. In this way, you can add new teachers in LearniCo.